Let's solve this together. It says x minus y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to 10. We're going to solve for the value or values of x and y in this question, okay? Now, first things first, we can call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. So that we can say from equation 2, so we say from 2, we're going to have that x is equal to 10 over y, okay? Now, we now go back to equation 1 and substitute x as 10 over y in equation 1. So we have x becoming 10 over y, okay, minus y to be equal to 10. Now, multiplying each term by y, we have 10 times y, 10 over y times y is 10, minus y times y is y squared, to be equal to, on this other side, we have 10y, alright? Now, we can collect like terms and make this y squared minus or plus 10y minus 10 is equal to 0, okay? Now, we'll solve this using the quadratic formula. So that we have that y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, okay? This is the quadratic formula. Moving on from here, we can say that y is equal to, okay, minus 10 plus or minus square root of 10 squared is 100 minus 4 times 10 is 4 minus 10 is plus 40, okay? Times 1, which is 2 plus 40, all over 2a is 2 times 1, which is 2. Okay, this now becomes equal to minus 10 plus or minus root of 160 all over 2, okay? And this is equal to minus 10 plus or minus root of 160 setting as root of 16 times root of 10 all over 2. So this is equal to minus 10 plus or minus 4 root 10 all over 2, and this becomes equal to minus 5 plus or minus 2 root 10 to be equal to y, okay? So these are the two values for y. Now recall that our x is equal to what, or x should be equal to what, 10 over y, okay? Now substitute y as this in this equation. We're going to have that x is now equal to 10 divided by negative 5 plus or minus 2 root 10, okay? Let's substitute this and then get the values for x. We now have that our x will be equal to, let's pick one of these. So we can say 10 divided by, okay, so we have minus 5, let's say plus 2 root 10, okay? Now, you can write this as 10 divided by, okay, so we have 2 root 10 minus 5, okay? Now, as you can see, this is irrational. Let's make this rational, okay? So we have this is 10, the root at the denominator is also making rational, okay? So we have 2 root 10 minus 5. Now, we multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So this becomes multiplied by, okay, 2 root 10 plus 5 all over 2 root 10 plus 5. Okay, we are multiplying both the numerator and denominator by the same thing. We call this rationalizing the denominator. And this is equal to 10 into 2 root 10 plus 5 all over 2 root 10 plus minus 5 and 2 root 10 plus 5. Okay, the form of difference of 2 squared. So we can just square this. So we say 2 squared is 4, root 10 squared is 10, okay, minus 5 squared, which is 25. Okay, and this is equal to 10 into 2 root 10 plus 5 divided by 4 times 10 is 40 minus 25, okay? Now moving on from here, we can say that our x is equal to, okay, 10 into 2 root 10 plus 5 divided by 40 minus 25 is 15, okay? And this becomes equal to 2 over 3 into 2 root 10 plus 5, okay? These are value for x, okay, the first one. Now for the second value for x, recall that we had x is equal to formula. So we have that this is equal to 10 divided by, okay, so we have minus 5 minus 2 root 10. The conjugate of this is minus 5 plus 2 root 10. So we multiply here by minus 5 plus 2 root 10, and the numerator by minus 5 plus 2 root 10. Okay, now this becomes equal to 10 into, we can interchange this as 2 root 10 minus 5. Okay, and then for the denominator, we're going to have minus 5 squared. Okay, so minus 5 squared is 25 still. Then we have minus 2 root 10 squared. So 2 squared is 4. 4 times this is 40. So we have 40. Now moving on from here, we're going to add our x. Okay, we need the second answer for x will become equal to 10 into 2 root 10 minus 5. Okay, divided by this is 15. Okay, so this is equal to 2 over 3 into 2 root 10 minus 5. Okay, and recall that our x1 is equal to 2 over 3 into 2 root 10 plus 5. Okay, so x is equal to 2 over 10, 2 over 3 into 2 root 10 plus or minus 5. And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.